Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video, we're going to go over some chess, a chess game that we have here in Python using the chess library. I'm going to explain to you how this all works. You start off by importing the chess library, and then once you import the library, you create your chessboard. Once you print out your chessboard or create your chessboard, you define a dictionary of the symbols, and then you create a function for the board. So let me go back here. The function for the board is to update the board. So we print a new line, and for y in range, 7, -1, -1, we create a row, and then we loop through this range that we've created. 8, that's the number of rows, 8. If piece color chess white, piece symbol equals W. This is just to identify which side you're on, whether you're white or black, and because we've only defined here the piece symbols, but not the team symbols, right? So we define the team symbols there. We print the row. So while not board is game over, print the board, and then you get the user move. So it's got to be like this e2, e4. That would move like, a bishop to or not a bishop. I'm sorry, a pawn, 2 pieces. Try. Move equals chess.move from. This is a built-in function of chess. And the chess library keeps track of all the legal moves for that piece. So it will tell you that is this within the legal moves of that piece. Otherwise, it gives you an invalid move. But if it doesn't, it does it. Board.push takes that move and makes it happen. Print the board, present the row. Yep, there you go. If result is 1-2, white wins. If result is 0-1, black wins. So let's run this. Okay, so these dots aren't lining up right, but that's okay. What can we make our move? Like B2, B4. Was that an invalid move? It was an invalid move. Why am I freaking like A6, A5? A1, A2? What's wrong with this? E2, E4? Okay, there you go. White pawn has moved up. E2. Okay, so it starts at Okay, now the next move would be black's turn, which is going to be B2, B4. What the heck? So if this is E, see here, E, F, A, C, D, E, F, G, H. It'd be B, like C2, C4 should be a move, right? C2, C4. Or B, B2, B3. B4, D4? Still doesn't work. Interesting. So there's some sort of problem in here. Well, we're gonna have to debug that. H2. Why doesn't that work? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to debug this, but that's the gist of it. Bye-bye.